Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. So, kali ini saya akan melanjutkan karir mode Sassuolo. Dan sini pertandingan kedua. Kita akan melawan Cremonese ya. Jujur alasan saya pakai formasi ini.
And the first half is underway. Promising forward burst. Nicely played through.
Bahaya.
Onto it, in on goal.
Anjir, penyelamatan GG dari Murik.
Top class goalkeeping.
Ada sedikit miskomunikasi atau kesalahan di lini belakang kita. Oke, marah-marah ini mulai.
They take it short.
Duel. Oke, Kone. Pendek, Berardi. Tahan dulu. Berardi sprint. Anjir, mana Pinamonti, Pak? Aduh.
Collapses.
Yeah, that looks really promising. They'll be disappointed, you know.
Pinamonti.
Sanabria.
Tak bayangin aja.
Teeing up the chance now.
Well. Oke. Kone. Aduh,
It's no
Pinamonti.
surprise who we've picked out to have a look at here. What should we expect today, Sue?
Well, for me, it's the way he combines with his teammates, always wants the ball. Once he's passed it, he's on the move, wants it back again. He's a pleasure to watch. I'm sure we'll see more of that today.
Oke, clearance good. Pinamonti maju. Anjir.
Tosbet. But they're not quite in
Offside.
sync there. It's offside.
Well, he's got to do better there. He's got to realise the situation and keep hold of the ball a bit longer so
Well,
that he can get back
Oke,
onside.
Torsvat. Kone, good job. JJ's ke Matic.
Christian Tosbet. They've dropped deep, haven't they?
Yeah, could be a dangerous tactic, this. They need to push up a bit for me.
Now there could be a real chance developing.
Berardi.
Head-to-head
Gas.
now. It's in, and it has been coming. That's what you get for taking the
Domenico
timid
Berardi.
approach. They just
Sepertinya
haven't
gol
believed in
pertama.
themselves here, and that's the result.
Ya, dalam 2 pertandingan. Kapten kita.
Well, if we look
Domenico
at this again,
Berardi.
he shows great vision and
Umpan
awareness to
terobos
play the
dari
ball
Kone
through,
ya.
and it makes the
Pam.
striker's job relatively easy. All he has to do is make the right connection.
itu dia.
It's a really good goal.
Domenico Berardi.
It's 1-0 as the game restarts.
Sabar aja Pak, mainnya Pak. Nggak usah terlalu terburu.
Every ball
Anjir,
this
bahaya.
could lead to something.
Bahaya, Murik.
Oh, Ansley kept
Wajib
that.
permanen Pak.
That was all about
Murik.
split-second reactions, and he showed us just how sharp he is. That's a great stop.
Tepisan dari Murik.
And it's a short one. It's played into the box.
Duel, oke
That's how
JJ's.
to clear it.
Sangat solid ya.
Promising position
Lini
this.
pertahanan kita sejauh ini.
Rassi. Stubborn refusal to give up possession.
Oke,
That is where it ends.
buang. Jangan ambil risiko. Oke, good job. Kone,
Domenico Berardi.
Pinamonti.
Really nicely played. What can they do with
Pinamonti,
this one? Oh, what a
anjing,
really good
pas
save
tengah.
that was.
Jangan pasin tengah dong, Pinamonti. Anjir, gawang
Well,
segede
what a
gitu
great
Pak.
save that was to keep them in this.
Tapi penyelamatan
May
bagus
just be the impetus
oleh
they
Emil
need,
Laudero.
as they haven't been at their best today, really.
Yeah, and sometimes it takes something like that to change the feel of the game.
Di real life, Cremonese kemarin kalah ya 2-0 lawan Sassuolo.
And the keeper gets it and holds on
Kok
to it.
lawan Sassuolo apa? Lawan AC Milan. Cremonese lawan AC
Aston
Milan.
Ranks.
Dan AC Milan golnya di menit-menit akhir terus kok. Akhir semua. Pinamonti.
It's in. 2 to the good. That little bit of buffer. And it's just a
Pinamonti.
matter of keeping concentration now.
Selebrasi. Jude Bellingham, selebrasi andalan kita ya. Anjir, striker kita semuanya perform, Pak. Si
Well,
Pinamonti,
here's the replay, and
Berarti
just look how
kita
quickly they
anggap
go
sebagai
from
attacking
defence to
midfielder
attack.
slash
And then he's
striker.
through on goal.
Terus
No
ada juga
hesitation
nama-nama
at all.
Shedira,
Just
Pierini,
puts his foot
Skeleruk,
through it.
semuanya
Rifles it
perform
past
Pak
the
lima-limanya.
keeper. It's a cracking finish.
So off we
Bingung
go.
saya
2-0
jadinya.
the score now.
Ya walaupun angin-anginan sih, tapi tetap saya akan mengembangkan pemain
This could be
muda
threatening.
kita ya. Baya, oke.
And it's comfortably gathered.
Anjir, tapi kita sayangnya di Coppa Italia tersingkir anjing. Padahal itu turnamen yang untuk usia muda.
Berardi.
Oke, Berardi,
Terrific bit of blocking.
penyelamatan Hemi Laudiro.
Great work from the
Corner ya?
keeper to keep
Oke.
it out. And what can they do from the corner?
Bisa dibilang turnamen yang buat mainin pemain-pemain muda kita, Pak. Malah kita gugur di situ anjir. Tapi oke lah.
Into the box it goes.
Oke, jadi kita bisa fokus ke Serie A ya.
Good chance, but he couldn't keep it down.
At least kita finish di zona Eropa lah, entah European Conference League, Europa League, atau ya kalau bisa Liga Champions.
The first half
Tapi
almost
kita
over.
lihat aja
And
nanti
what a position they've got themselves into here.
seperti
Yeah, they'll
apa
be the happier of
perkembangannya.
the two sides. At times they've been able to carve open the opposition, and they've had some good finishes too. They'll be looking to
Okay.
keep this going for the second half.
Oke, JJS, good job.
Oh, nice and strong there, wasn't he?
Ranks. A chance now for a quick transition. Still making forward progress.
Pinamonti,
There, he's in.
anjir, tendangannya kok gitu ya.
A terrific save.
But it's okay. Kita menguasai Pak pertandingan ini, Pak.
Delivered into the
JJS.
box. Well held, but it was a corner
Belum.
that came right into.
Oke, mohon maaf ada sedikit interupsi.
Room to do something here.
Oke, biarin aja lari-lari biar stamina habis.
Good cross into the
Duel.
middle.
Oke, good job Doik. Doik juga solid sih di sisi kiri, Pak.
This could get interesting.
Oke, anjir habis.
And the referee's whistle brings
2-0
the first
skor
45
sementara.
minutes to a close.
Gol dari Berardi dan juga
He's made
Pinamonti.
his mark on the game, proving particularly hard to play against.
Gaskan.
And so we're underway with the
Dia
second half.
Berardi. Master
Astor
Frank.
Franks. Pinamonti. Berardi.
Oke.
Now scored
Masukkan
over the
dari
top by
Berardi.
quite a
Ada
distance.
siapa tuh? Kande Kolibali. Anjir, Kande main di situ enjoy banget ya. Biasanya di center back pakai skema 3 back dia nggak bisa duel. Sekarang sprint dia berguna anjing.
No forward pressure. They're waiting to be attacked.
Kone. Anjir, nyuting
Certainly
apa
caught
Kone?
all of that, but never going to trouble the keeper. Goal kick to come.
Oke, Zendes transfer free agent
Will
from
the
free
or won't
agent.
the discussions can now
Transfer
end
kemana,
because
Pak?
the transfer has now been confirmed. Exciting
Aduh.
times.
Yeah, and at that price, it does seem like a very good bit of business, doesn't it? I'm looking forward to seeing his debut, and hopefully he can hit the ground running.
A reminder that we have more coverage from Serie A coming up on EA TV as Cremonese face Verona. Fingers crossed for an exciting contest with that one.
Yeah, always entertaining between those two. Can't wait to watch it.
What a chance
It's-
here.
Moritz lagi-lagi
Agility was phenomenal. He had
dengan
so
penampilan
little time.
GG-nya
Truly
kiper
world-class
dari
that.
pinjaman dari Ipswich Town ini. Keren GG loh, Pak. Damn. GG sih. duel. Anjir.
How to play. Throw in to come.
Well, the visitors haven't kept the ball very well, but as we know, possession isn't everything in the game. They certainly...
Oh, hold on, Sue. They might be in here.
Anjir.
Line in this game, and surely momentum is with
Salah
them
tadi
now.
di lini belakang.
Here's the replay, and he does well to find space. But you'd always expect him to score from that
2-1.
sort of range.
Anjir, nggak jadi clean sheet anjing. Ayo kita harus kill the game, Pak.
Berardi.
Anjir, offside. Offside telak. Ngepres lah. Nggak dipres anjing. Oke, Doik.
Half an hour left for play.
Bone. Matic.
Astevranks.
Pinamonti.
Andrea Pinamonti.
Wah,
There
pelanggaran.
we go. Free kick given. And they'll be queuing up to take
Oke,
it from here.
tendangan bebas. Tentu saja Domenico Berardi akan mengambilnya. Aduh, banyakan. Anjing ya.
Cleared the crossbar. It was so close.
Perlu pergantian kah? Matic, Pak. Boloka. Anjir. Ya, Skeleruk boleh lah main sama Cedera. Anjir, masalahnya habis semua ini, Pak. Boleh. Satu lagi nanti lah ya.
Well, he knows exactly where he wants to put it. It's not that far away. It's a good strike, but not enough dip on it this time.
Astevranks. Starting to get interested here.
Aduh.
Stopped in their tracks with a change in possession.
Anjir lah.
Grassi. Petzela. Alberto Grassi. This could be dangerous. Alberto Grassi.
Anjir. Oke, serangan balik.
Come to nothing.
Ayo, serangan balik.
Positioning, shutting down the attack before it started.
Beautifully weighted ball.
Aduh, Cedera umpannya.
Into the last 20 minutes.
Alah, kontrol tai, Sorry.
Well, the crowd is certainly
Kok
trying
emosi?
to motivate the team to
Kok
push them
emosi?
forward to get the equaliser.
Delivered towards the
Duel.
back stick.
Oke, dijawab murid.
Up in the safe hands of the goalkeeper.
Langsung.
Astevranks. Christian Torstvedt.
Skeleruk.
Needs composure now.
Anjir, Kedira anjing.
Tightens their grip on this game.
Oke, selebrasi. Si Cedera tak gol. Ntar kita ganti pemain, Pak. Wah, anjir, habis semua. Padera ini masih 23 tahun tapi gigi sih, Pak. Dia bisa kali main sini ya. No, ini aja. Kita kuat pertahanan aja. Pras. Oke, Kolibali. Anjir, udah 5 ya. Oke. Oke, 3-1.
3 goals to 1 then as we get started again. Petzela.
Anjir. Pas akurasi 93.
Giuseppe Petzela. Antonio Sanabria. And a cross that
Duel.
could be dangerous.
Oke, Doik.
And at the end of all that, there's nothing doing for them.
Skelerup.
Over
Run.
the top and in
Run.
on goal.
Anjir,
But it's
offside.
offside, surely not by much.
Tipis sih itu harusnya.
It really looked like he timed his run to perfection.
Petzela.
Marginally offside.
Keluar
Really
menggantikan
lucky that.
siap. Anjir, tipis.
Intercepted. Great reading of the game.
Yeah, it's
Aduh.
great awareness that. Positioning was
Oh, takes it on.
Oh,
Oh, that's brilliant.
Murik sih.
Super sharp
GG.
reactions.
GG parah. Bulan. Lihat-lihat. Pam. Yes. Penyelamatannya seperti Buffon lawan Barcelona ya. Final UCL 2015. GG parah,
It's
Cok.
put into the middle.
Duel. Anjir, siapa itu, Cok? Gak mau duel.
Yet. There's the goal that keeps hopes alive.
Asu.
Well,
Serfrang
if
dah.
you look at the replay, this is poor from the goalkeeper. He spilled it right into a dangerous
Anjir,
area,
Doik, Cok.
and there's no way that they're going to miss from there. The coaching
Bahaya ini.
staff will be so disappointed watching that again.
Daniel Baloka.
Bahaya.
Aster Vranks.
Maju. Lauren.
Armand Loriente.
Skelerup. Oke, gak usah.
Baloka.
Oke, good job. Saya kira 1 menit lagi. Masih aja nanti permain si Puki ini anjing. Perang. Duel. Anjing, harus dia yang bisa duel, Cok. Duel. Aduh, bulu gintu nggak punya speed. Aduh, passing.
No end result. This is what they've been looking for, the counter attack.
Oke, no pelanggaran. Anjing, bahaya. Bahaya, Oke.
And the referee brings the game to a close.
Kemenangan kedua dalam lanjutan Liga Serie A ini dengan skor 3-2 atas Cremonese. Mantap ya. Oke, kita melakukan 11 shot dan mereka 8 shot. Sementara ball position kita kalah. Performance kita lihat, tentu saja Domingos Berardi dengan 1 gol 1 assist, Skelerup dengan 1 assist, Andrea Pinamonti dengan 1 gol, Poni dengan 1 assist, Torsped dengan 1 shot, dan Kedira Shedira dengan 1 goals. Sementara ada Doi, JJS, Frank Kande, Walukevic, Lorente, Matic, Boloka, Marimovic, Pak. Oh iya. Oke. Lanjut. Lecce imbang lawan Milan. Oke, langsung aja.
And the referee gets this game going. Every reason to believe this should be a cracker. Franks. He's in here.
Oke, Domingos Berardi.
Magnificent start. An early goal in the
Gol
game.
cepat ya.
Just what they were hoping to produce.
Gelo. Bellingham lah, bos. Anjir. GG, Cok. GG. Umpan dari Pinamonti ya. Sangat keras. Oke. Ini dia Domingos Berardi yang sudah mencetak gol sejauh ini.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score.
Frank kuat. Aduh. Fokus. Tetap fokus. Maksudnya, Cok. Oke, Trossard, gas, Berardi, Pinamonti. Anjir, offset kah? Onside lah. Onside, anjir.
Oh, tremendous reflex action there from from the keeper.
Well, he didn't have long to react.
Masih bisa selamatkan.
That's a top-class
Tapi
save,
corner
I have to
Domenico
say.
Berardi terlalu pelan kah?
So the corner played into the
Anjir,
box.
Andrea Pinamonti.
Header on target.
Lagi
He
agresif
wrestled
Pak
into
main kita
defence.
Pak. Ini momentum sekali nih. Oke, sabar. Kita main low block aja. Gak usah terlalu agresif ngepres. Ntar
Zaccagni.
stamina habis, Cok.
Nicolo Rovella.
Kita bayangin aja. Aman. Nah, bingung mereka pasti si Bujang ini. Aman.
Opportunity to level it.
Anjir, untung saja crossbar challenge anjir.
Play here.
Oke.
And the move breaks down.
Kon ini bos, senggol dong. CIJS.
Matic.
Matic. Torsvet. Anjir, salah.
Against the Brazilians to
Salah
shut
saya
them
sih itu.
down.
Aman. Jangan press. Press. Berardi. Oke, dapat.
Oh,
Bol.
good idea.
Aduh, terlalu
The
dalam.
goalkeeper expertly anticipated that
Sabar.
through ball.
Oke, umpan jauh.
Not to like
Duel,
about that
Doik.
pass.
Doik, men.
And that
Good
last
lah.
touch means a throw in
It's
for
good,
them.
Doik. Gelo, men. Oke,
Marcel
sabar,
Ruiz.
tenang.
Thoughtful play. This could level it.
Oke,
Oh,
masih
he's
melenceng
really
dari
kicking
tendangan
himself.
dari
Well, the opportunity presented itself, and
Cesc
they really
Palos.
should be level. They have to be more composed, more clinical if
terkena
they want to get back into this.
kaki kirinya ya, belanya tadi ya. Tenang, bos.
Matic. Aster Franz.
Anjir.
Jaids.
CIJS.
Kone.
Berardi, Kone. Pinamonti.
That one has
Nope.
promise.
Nope.
Sassuolo
Salah,
unable
salah,
to
salah.
retain the ball.
Oke, kita main agak sedikit smart aja ya. Karena bek lawan ini Romagnoli ini
Rovella.
headingnya jago dia.
And the attack looks promising.
Mantan pemain Milan kan. Juga pernah memperkuat Itali.
That's a nice looking ball.
Oke,
Played
Murik.
by the goalkeeper.
Lagi-lagi Bang Murik nih, bos. Play smart.
Domenico Berardi.
Play smart. Oke, ya kan, play smart kan. Pinamonti.
Opportunity here.
Pinamonti, bos.
To really
Pinamonti nih, bos.
for them. Two
Pinamonti nih, bos. Bellingham celebration kah? Tidak pasti. Jebret. Ini dia supporter Sassuolo bergembira ya. Andrea Pinamonti mencetak gol. Asis dari Berardi, cedas. Anjir, striker kita perform semua, Pak. Suka sih, cuman ya pilihan pertama saat ini ya Pinamonti sama Berardi ya. Sedira sama Pierini oke lah nanti. Scalerup tetap kita prioritaskan juga karena pemain muda.
So 2-0 now.
Tapi Sedira kan pemain pinjaman ya dari
Now
mana,
look at this,
Napoli
they
ya.
might be able to cash in here.
Jadi kita lihat nanti progresnya gimana.
To get back to the goal. There it is. A goal to reduce the
Salanta.
arrears and give them hope that they can turn this
Oh,
round.
dia udah 3 ada gol. Aduh. Muaremovic kah? Iya Pak, anjir kenapa bengong Anda? Muaremovic. Aduh, marah-marah itu pinggir lapangan.
So on with the match. 2-1 is the
2-1.
scoreline. What's going to happen next? Matic. And now with Torstved.
Kone,
On to Kone.
terlalu rapat tengahnya.
Domenico Berardi.
Salah,
Nicely timed tackle.
panik bingung. Crossfit, good job.
Opportunity. Well, unable to
Offset,
bend his
anjir.
line. Offside.
Headingnya umpannya udah bagus Pak. Anjir, offside kelak. Oke, Gas. Oh iya, saya lupa ganti timer ke 4 menit, Pak.
Castellanos.
Masih 5 menit ini.
He has teammates around him. Oh,
Duel.
nice ball over the top. Chance to
Aduh,
equalise.
Marimovic.
Oh, he's missed, but
Sekarang
by a
Marimovic yang
minuscule margin.
Well, he couldn't
terlalu
make better
berbahaya, ya.
contact than that. His technique is brilliant. He's so unlucky there.
Someone lagi there
Franks.
katanya.
Domenico Berardi. More fine build-up.
Yeah, they're certainly
Oke,
looking good here.
Pinamonti.
Oh, big moment.
Aduh,
Oh, a challenge that was simply world-class.
anjir cedera.
Nuno Tavares.
Jangan sampai cedera
Tidily
nih.
played.
Kita punya sih beberapa striker yang lain, tapi
Potential danger.
sayang sekali kalau cedera, Pak. Gak bisa berkembang kan artinya.
Cross it in here.
Apalagi dia
How
di
did they
masa
let that
emas,
attack come to
anjir.
an end? Has a go.
Uh.
Oh, in it goes. Now they're level. Who
Tenang,
saw this
Teng.
coming? Incredible.
Anjir, cakep sih ini. 2-2. Nah, cedera anjir.
And there it is, the
Jadi
half-time
kita
whistle.
tahan dulu ya, tapi biasanya itu hilang sendiri. Semoga hilang sendirinya.
I think most fans would be.
Anjir.
So the
Anjir,
referee's
lututnya itu,
whistle,
Pak.
and
Dia
into
ngeliatin
the
lututnya.
second act of the drama.
Bagian kaki lah. Anjir, injury. Udah pasti injury sih itu. Ya emang udah pasti.
Really getting stuck in.
Anjir lah, Master Frank. Bahaya sih ini.
Zaccagni. Castellanos. Well,
Oke.
not an effort for his own personal scrap.
Harus ganti situ. Pinamonti. Sedira kah? Atau Pierini? Oke. Sedira kali ya. Sedira, oke. Gas.
He's been influential
Dan dia
today,
sang
but the
pencetak
manager
gol
decides to make a
Pinamonti
personnel
yang
switch at this point.
cedera dan harus digantikan oleh Sedira. Sayang sekali.
And showing
Wah,
great
Master
game
Frank kintil.
Good anticipation there. It really was.
Well, no shortage of live action coming your way right here on EA TV.
Anjir,
And Stuart and
sikat
I
semua
looking
Pak main
forward to
kita,
being
Pak.
with you for this match.
Well, that could be a really good game between two entertaining teams in a great stadium.
And a chance to whip it in here.
Duel.
Well,
Wah, anjir,
great
kalah dulu dong.
contact
Good
with
job,
that one,
Murik.
But the goalkeeper had his own
Bahaya
ideas.
Pak, striker ini Pak.
Well, an opportunity here for them to get their noses in front from the corner. Well,
Oh,
quite
duh,
simply not
untung saja
precise
masih
enough from
melebar.
that position.
Castellanos cetak gol tadi ya. Oh, anjing, udah 5 shot Pak Castellanos.
Matic.
Sabar.
And now with Franks. Kone. Promising attack.
Oke,
Oh, great
Sedira.
attacking play.
Anjir.
Oh, he couldn't
Dari
outwit the
tepis.
keeper.
Itu penyelamatan kiper sih. GG. Wam. Oke.
And over it comes.
Aduh, terlalu kencang
And
Pak.
unable
Anjing.
to hit the target. Goal kick here.
Yeah, but it's good defending. He knew he was going to be beaten in the air, but he did enough to stop him scoring.
Duel. Duh.
Marusic. Castellanos.
Mundur.
Now we have 30 minutes to go. Moving the ball nicely.
Well, they're just waiting for the right moment here.
Nuno Tavares. And holding off his opponent. Could be dangerous. Oh, snuffed out the threat.
Kone, good job. Anjir, Torsvet kintil.
Well, just a quick reminder, more live football coming your way here on EA TV. I think you might enjoy this game.
That should be a tasty encounter. Plenty of
Aduh.
quality in those two sides.
Aduh, Aster Frank kintil, cok.
Can he finish?
Untung aja. Kintil dari tadi Aster Frank ini, cok. Oke, Fadera main. Torsvet. Mungkin si Pierre ini ya main. Iannoni. Oke, Boloka bisa lah jadi DM. Udah 5 ini Pak, sama tadi yang satunya tadi. Oke.
After poor defending, and it's still level.
It looked the perfect chance to take the lead there, didn't it?
Oke, Fadera.
Broken up.
Anjay, Guenzoi.
Armand Loriente.
Anjir, umpannya terlalu pelan, cok. Si Llorente ini, cok, kontol.
Into the final 20 minutes. Moving the ball forward, how creative can they be? To put them ahead.
Fadera, aduh.
And that is defending
Pranknya
of the
kurang sih.
highest order.
JJS duel. Good job. Oke lah.
Zaccagni,
Mundur.
Valentin Castellanos. And support available. And a good-looking ball.
Oke.
Well, the keeper wasn't fooled by it at all, in actual fact.
Maju.
Continues his run.
Aduh,
That's how to
maju.
defend.
What a piece of defending that was.
Positioningnya jelek sih Cedera. Attacking position.
Loriente. Decent idea.
Maju. Aduh.
Superb defensive judgment to end the attack.
Anjir.
Rovella. If they can finish here, that might be that. Delivered
Duel.
into the area here.
Oke, Muric.
Well, unable to bend his run.
Apa
Offside.
Pak? Offside? Oke, offside.
Ismail Kone. Oh, this looks useful. Nicely timed tackle.
Aduh.
Zaccagni. Nicolo Rovella. It's with Romagnoli.
Ayo Pak, mundur. Bahaya.
Rovella.
Press anjing.
And teammates to play it to. Pedro in the middle of
Duel,
things.
Doik. Oke, good job. Kone. Umpan, Llorente.
And good
Biar ini
anticipation.
kontol.
And they nudge in front late on here. Promising possession this. Element of risk
Oi.
there, but he's won the ball.
Wih, kok anjing, habis kah? Oke, skor akhir 2-sama. Gagal menang, kita udah memasukkan 2 gol tapi bisa dibalas. Pinamonti menjadi man of the match dengan 1 gol 1 assist Pak. 1 gol 1 assist mereka berdua aja Pak. Torsvet, Matic, Ijes, Llorente, Cande, Boloka, Doik, Frank, Castellanos anjing, si striker anjing ini 5 shot sendiri anjing. Muric, Pierini, Cedera, gak bisa sih diduetin mereka. Marcus Thuram, kick off babak pertama.
And so it begins, the first kick of the first half. Stefan De Vrij.
Anjing Di Marco ini
Nicely
crossingnya
sets it
bahaya.
up.
Tuh Cejes terlalu maju.
Lautaro Martinez. What a chance!
Oke, shooting yang
Good
sangat
so far, but no end result.
agak sedikit
Yeah, just snuffed out the danger
Kurang-
there. That's a good turnover.
tepat sasaran ya.
Nemanja Matic.
Oke, Doik main
Matic.
santai aja dulu. Padera,
Promising
Berardi.
looking ball.
anjir,
Chance slips
Bastoni
away.
raksasa ini. Ini susah sih pastinya ngelewatin si Bastoni ini.
Calhanoglu. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now?
Oke, blok yang sangat baik tadi. Oke, ini dia John Battle.
Here it comes.
Santai.
Calhanoglu.
Oke, Murik. Anjing, lepas ini.
Really good defending there.
Aduh, passing.
Federico Di Marco. Calhanoglu. Good passing, not looking to force it just yet. Looking for Dumfries. Well, possibly off target in the end. That'll be a goal
Dumfries,
kick.
Cuk.
Well, as a defender, if you can't win it, you have to make it difficult for your opponent, and he certainly did that.
Nemanja Matic.
Asu,
Excellent reading of the
passing.
game to win the ball. The game
Kartu
keeps
kuning,
going.
cuy, anjing.
Fratesi. Something could be on with this. Terrific chance.
Anjir.
Well, you have to stand and applaud when you see a finish like that. It is a tremendous piece of skill.
Santai.
Matic. Turnaround in
Anjir,
possession.
cok,
Excellent
asu.
positioning.
Good reading of the game.
No
Hmm.
need
Anjir,
to stop
pelanggaran.
the play. On they go. Di Marco. Could be able to finish this. Can he finish here? Really
Anjir.
solid defending. So the chance now to extend the lead from this corner.
Cejes.
Way, it has not finished
Aduh.
yet. Barella. Saved and held on to as well.
Tenang, anjing.
Nemanja Matic.
Passing.
Torsberg. Just needs the composure now.
Anjing, pas tengah, cok,
Gets
goblok.
behind it and crucially turns it out of the danger zone.
Bangsat, gawang segede gitu.
Manuel Akanji.
Lamboknya, cok, pas tengah loh.
Lautaro
Sabar, taek,
On to
cuk.
Dumfries. Martinez.
Oke, sorry. Lebih cool. Nying.
Barella. This could be. And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in. Off we go. 2-0 the score now.
Anjing.
Manuel Akanji. On to Dumfries. Akanji. And with the lead, they're happy just to play keep ball. Akanji. Martinez. Alessandro Bastoni. De Vrij.
Kalau kita main press kayak gini
Well,
hancur,
not long
Pak.
to go until the break, and the hosts are in complete control. Your thoughts on what they've shown us?
Well, they
Metik.
dominated this first half. Their approach play,
Kontrol
their
bola
cleverness
aja
around
nggak
the ball,
bisa,
and the
anjing.
finishing have been excellent. They just need to continue this going into the second period.
Hancur.
Well, there's
Obok-obok
It's
cok
become a question of
ansu.
just how many they'll get. The game restarts with this, as good a first-half performance as you're likely to see. Matic. Christian Torstvedt. Berardi. Nemanja Matic. Read the pass well and cuts it out.
Oke, skor
That'll do it.
3-0 babak
End of
pertama
the
ini.
first 45 minutes here.
Cok Inter asu.
Back to it then, the second half begins.
Pelanggaran lah cok. Anjir. Tutupnya cepet cok. Mundur dulu anjing. Striker kontol cedera. Gak bisa apa-apa dia pak. Kelly rupanya mending cok. Kontol cok salah. Torsford kontol juga anjing mainnya kali ini. Pianoni.
Narrowly fails to reach its target. Nowhere to go. Not his day today. It's been made to take him off.
Anjing.
That one. He knows it.
Oke, good job.
And
Murid.
And that'll go out for a corner. They decide against putting it in. And a cross that
Well.
could be dangerous. It's only halfway clear. Looked like something
Oke,
building there,
sekali
but
Rup.
no longer. What a
Sendirian
chance
lari.
here. This time. Oh, it's a goal. And it was really nicely finished.
3-1. Selebrasi dulu lah. Walaupun kalah selebrasi. Oke. Selebrasi depan Interisti ya.
Well, here's the replay, and just
Mendingan
look how quickly they
sekali
break
Rupco
forward once
daripada
they win the ball back.
Sedira.
And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Pushing forward with options available now. And that's where it ends.
Oke.
Big weighted pass. Now this has to be. Well, they
Oke,
say all
remontada
things
kah?
do, and there is the perfect example of why.
Full patuh. Good job. Anjir pemain cadangan kita malah gugur semua tuh.
Well, here's the
Kurang
replay, and he shows great
diperhitungkan.
awareness to play this through ball. And when he gets onto it, he decides to go
Ram,
for power. It's
Bastoni
a really
lewat anjing.
emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
Wah, ditarik itu bajunya sama Bastoni. Lewat, oke. 3-2. Gini main, cok.
3-2 as the
Jangan
ball gets
kayak
rolling again.
lembek terus salah passing gitu.
And
Anjing,
not a bad
anjing
looking ball.
JJ, sok. Duel.
Good job done to keep it
Sliding.
there.
He's done well to keep hold of it there.
That was well spotted. The attack is over.
Oke, buang. Anjir, JJ juga apa? Cedera, cok. Aduh. Oke, kita lihat nanti aja lah ya.
That's got out of play. Throw in to come.
Oh, itu dia megangin tangannya itu, Pak. Oke, good job
Already leading
Cande.
by one, and they press home their advantage from this corner. And in a
Murik,
crowded area,
good job.
the keeper's done well to hold
Fadera.
on to that. Well, this is looking good.
Anjir.
Nothing doing. stalls.
Aduh, cok.
Big chance.
Untung.
Lines there.
Has that just let them off the hook?
Anjir, blunder itu pencet saya, Pak.
Here comes a change.
Aduh.
Oh, that's really well cut out.
Sing, cok. Tanggung jawab.
Mkhitaryan.
Good job, Morenovic.
Well, that was brilliant defending.
Ayo, Pak. Anjir, Llorente minta dulu, anjir.
Marcus Thuram.
Ancuk, Tuhan, cok.
And there's his second of the
Asu.
match, leading the way for the team.
Gampang jaran
Well,
Turan.
as you can see, he beats the defender so easily with a change of pace, and then it's a decent finish. That's a very good goal, you have to say.
Oke. Padera. Anjir, Jesus masih cedera,
Being
cok.
afforded too much space here. The pass is incomplete. Nicely won.
Berardi. Anjir, Otto. Berardi mungkin taruh sini aja ya.
Barella. Marcus Thuram just needs the composure now.
Aduh. Lelet sekali loh, anjing. Alah.
Loriente. That's how to play it through.
Ancuk, offside semua sepersekian detik
Fine
itu.
margins, isn't it?
Tipis.
But in the end, he just went too early.
Acerbi anjing, si anjing Inter nih bermain bertahan sekintil ini.
Lautaro Martinez. They might be in. And it must be.
Anjir,
Met by
Thuram, cuk.
solid goalkeeping. And they've gone with a short one. Sent into the middle. And a goal
Bangsat,
to make it even
bangsat.
further clear.
Bastoni.
Sliding off in style.
Itu siapa lagi nggak duel Morenovic kah?
Well, here's the replay, and it's a well-worked corner. They go short, change the angle, and then put the ball into the
Aduh,
box. And that's a
lemah,
very
Cuk.
good header under a lot of pressure.
Kita harus
Has to
cari
be said.
back sih ini.
Great goal.
Five minutes left now. Domenico Berardi. Takes it on,
Anjing.
and the keeper happy to see
Power
that
shot
sail
tayo.
comfortably over the bar. Goal
Sorry,
kick.
sorry.
Carlos Augusto. Now Mkhitaryan.
Si anjing ini harus dibaba, cuk.
That has gone out. It'll be a throw. Decent looking attack this. Acerbi. Promising attack, but only to a point. Lovely incisive ball. What a chance this could be.
Oke, skor akhir 5-2. Lawan pertama kita di musim ini melawan Inter ya. Intil Inter ini
It was the nature of the
lewat
performance.
Marcus Thuram ini sepertinya menjadi man of the match. Oke, man of the match kita Skelerup 1 gol 1 assist, Llorente dengan 1 assist, Ijes lagi-lagi aja Ijes ya. Marcus Thuram dengan 2 gol 1 assist, kintil bangsat ini. Oke. Dan mereka 15 shot Pak, kita 4 shot aja. Ya, cuk. Tunggu pembalasan kita di paruh kedua ya. Langsung dari Mapei Stadium, Sassuolo melawan Udinese. Oke, untuk pertandingan antara Sassuolo melawan Udinese tadi berakhir dengan skor 1-0 ya. Saya tidak bisa menampilkan di sini karena FPS saya tadi ngedrop. So saya jadi quick match dan saya lupa nge-save di checkpoint. So oke, nggak apalah, yang penting aman lah semuanya anjing. Selanjutnya kita akan melawan Hellas Verona. Oke, langsung saja dari markas Verona. Ini dia Hellas Verona versus Sassuolo. Fratesi bukan pemilik dia. Oke, Kyo, babak pertama Hellas Verona. Begitu Pak, menurut saya terjadi kemunduran yang amat sangat signifikan terhadap persepak bolaan Italia sih. Ya, dari federasi dan negara juga sih menurut saya.
They got everything right there.
Oke, Berardi. Anjir. Gol terlalu maju ente. Pulang.
Serdar. Well, that's a fine-looking pass.
Offside.
And the assistant referee has raised his flag. Offside.
Beda banget sama Serie A tahun 90-an atau awal 2000-an Pak. GG itu.
Ismail Kone.
Apalagi tahun 90-an kan mereka sangat
And
menguasai
now with Torstved.
Eropa lah.
Promising attack.
Jadi Serie A tahun 90-an itu seperti Liga Inggris di zaman sekarang Pak. OP banget. Pemain-pemain
He always has to be regarded
bintang
as a
itu main di
dangerous
situ semua.
opponent. So what should we expect to see from him in this game, Stuart?
Well, if he
Ya
tries
seperti
to
nama-nama
start
dulu
the
seperti
ball and
Batistuta,
isolate
Rui
defenders in
Costa,
1v1
Zinedine
situations,
Zidane juga
his pace will cause
bermain
all
di
sorts of problems today.
Juventus kan. Di Milan itu ada trio Belanda dan juga Maldini, Baresi, Carlo Ancelotti zaman dulu pemain. Roberto Baggio, Roberto Donadoni tahun 90-80-an lah.
And whipped into the box.
Tapi sekarang aduh susah Pak. Cari pemain Italia yang benar-benar GG susah
Almost
Pak.
inviting them to come at them.
They have to play higher up the pitch.
Ya adalah 1-2. Italia dari dulu kan penghasil back-back
Can he finish? Oh, a good
terkenal
diving save.
di dunia ya, seperti Nesta, Maldini, Cannavaro, Materazzi, Crusoe, terus ada siapa lagi, Costa Curta, Franco Baresi, Bergomi. Ya sekarang ada sih pemain seperti Bastoni itu yang GG lah.
To take it short here.
Sama back Napoli itu siapa namanya lupa saya.
Son.
Burguinho itu. Cuman kalau yang bisa dikatakan tier A itu ya Alessandro Bastoni sih saat ini. Ya terakhir mereka punya back itu bagus ya, duet Bonucci Cellini. Oke, kita fokus dulu ya, dari tadi kita keserang aja anjir. Oke, tendangan corner. Anjir, clearance yang kurang baik tadi. Oke, Kone,
Very alert defending to cut off the supply.
Berardi, maju semua lah.
Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter attack. And the
Good
through
job.
ball. Through on goal.
Pierre ini nggak sih bos? Pierre ini nggak sih bos? Siap. 4 pertandingan 1 gol. Harus di player lock dulu Pak. 1-on-1 versus keeper. Tendangan flashing saja. Good job. Pierre ini skor 1-0. Verona ketinggalan atas tamunya Sassuolo.
The ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be?
Harui. Tenang.
So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said.
Oke, babak pertama telah usai.
Here comes to an end.
Skor 1-0 untuk Sassuolo. Gol dicetak oleh Pierre ini. Saya 3 menit tadi kan ya. Oke, GG lah, mending 3 menit lah.
So back underway and an intriguing second half in prospect.
Astor Frank.
Fali Condé.
Oke.
Opportunity.
Alah, offset anjir. Tipis sekali itu pasti. Waduh. Badan, Pak. Duel. Aduh, sama aja.
Trying to plot a route. Serdar. Possibilities inside the box. Spot on with that tackle. Well, he's been the standout for his side so far, don't you think, Stuart?
After a slow start when he was tightly marked, he got better and better.
Oh, they could put it away, Stuart.
Thierry nih, striker yang selama ini dipandang sebelah mata, kali ini pertandingan kali ini mencetak 2 gol. Ya. Pemain bernomor punggung 77 ini. Terobosan dari Domenico Berardi tentunya, sang kapten kita. Anjir. Tarpier ini tuh umurnya 27. Matic 37. Back sih kita bisa dibilang masih aman. Cuman ya ada beberapa hal yang harus dibenahi lah.
Musrati. Well, we're into the final half hour.
Ini tantangan kita lawan tim-tim gede sih, Pak. Seperti tadi ya Lazio, terus Inter kita dibantai, terus nanti paling Milan, Juventus, Roma. Itulah bahaya.
Let's take another look, and you have to say the defender is so poor. That's far too easy. The keeper had
Ganti pemain dulu lah. Astor Frank, Pianoni, Boloka bisa sih jadi DMF. Romanya Odental. Main Scalerup nggak ya? Nanti aja lah.
no chance there.
Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. More live football to come. A little note about a future game with us here on EA TV.
That should be a tasty encounter. Plenty of quality in those two sides. Certainly one to enjoy.
Looking cross.
Heading.
Oh, disappointing clearance. And the keeper
Anjir.
it brilliantly.
Well, from that sort of range, it's a great save.
Thierry ini tadi masih gagal. Umpan dari Berardi lagi ya. Pam. Anjir, bisa ditepis oleh Montipo. Duel. Aduh, JJS. Good job. Bahaya Pak, kita harus kill the game sih.
A game that will certainly hold the interest of many in Serie A, live coming up on EA TV. It's Sassuolo versus Lecce.
I like the look of that game. The atmosphere is always good inside.
Anjir, anjir. Bobolan, cuk.
Well, just look at his movement. He knows exactly how to find space, and it's also a tidy finish. That's a nice goal.
Sama aja, cuk. Podo aja, cuk. Asu. Nah, ini kita udah bisa lah ya. Romanya. Oke, Odental kita coba. Udah habis kah? Habis, oke. Skor 2 sama. Selalu kena comeback anjing. Fokus makanya. Scalerup kah? Oke, Scalerup. Oke, Siu, Skelerup. Anjir, ini pemain GG sih. 23 tahun. Aset kita Skelerup. Fuh. Ini sih kurang apa, kita
Well,
ajarin
here's
aja
the
di
replay,
bagian
and he shows great awareness to play this
strength.
through ball.
Nah,
And once
GG
he gets
sih.
onto it, he just
Pace
smashes it
dia
past the
punya.
keeper with great technique. What an
Terus
emphatic
finishing
finish
dia
that is.
punya. Bam. Tinggal strength kita latih ya.
So back underway here. Can they hold on to their lead? Pradalic. Going to take it away.
Aduh, Yanoni.
We've entered the final 5 minutes.
Oke, good job Fadera. Fadera ini juga bagus ya ditaruh di central midfielder. Walaupun posisinya
Christian Torsved. Now what can they do from here?
aduh,
Annoyingly,
walaupun
their
posisinya
referee
left midfielder. Oke, bentar lagi. Set. Oke,
Well, there goes
kemenangan
the final whistle. And it's all
keempat
gone to
berarti
plan for the
di
visiting
musim pertama
fans.
kita
3 points
melawan
for them.
tuan rumah Hellas
Yes,
Verona.
Derek, well, it could have gone either way,
Good
couldn't
job.
it? It's so
Anjir, match fact. Kita syuting 5, mereka 4. Oke, penguasaan bola selalu kalah apalah ya. Yang penting anjir, Berardi sama Pierini. Berardi 3 assist, Pierini 2 gol, Skelerup 1 gol, Fadera, JICES lagi-lagi bu. Lagi-lagi JICES. Ya, Walukiewicz belum bisa menghentikan peran dari Muarimovic ya. Dan kita harus berburu back kalau gitu. Muric ada apa gerangan, tapi bukan salah Muric juga sih. Bisa lah kita hajar 10.000. prospek. Portan, oke. Hah? Klausul nggak usah lah. Tadi 17 ya, 18. Terima please. Oke. Dia mau. Oke, gas. Muric resmi menjadi pemain dari Sassuolo. Congrats. Dengan gaji 18.000 euro per pekan, 10 juta transfer biayanya. Oke, gas. Oke, good job. Muric. Pemain pertama yang kita datangkan ya. Oke, kita langsung menuju ke Stadion Ettore Giardiniero di kota Lecce.
And there we have it. The first half is underway. Creative look about this. Youssef Mali.
Anjir.
Johan Helgason. Maybe dangerous here. And an opening.
Oke, penyelamatan baik dari Muric. Kiper yang baru saja dipermanenkan oleh Sassuolo.
And he's fired over the corner. And just over the top.
Yeah, that's a well-worked corner. Inches away from a very good goal.
Matic. But it doesn't make great reading for our hosts. Just look at this. It's the weakest attack in the league, and that's official.
Well, I'm not surprised by their lack of goals. Their approach play is far too predictable. It lacks invention and goal, which makes it almost impossible for the forwards to find space. And I can't see that changing today.
Well, there was impending danger, but good defending.
Just read the situation so well, didn't they?
Kouassi. Well, Sassuolo were the winners when last we saw them against Hellas Verona. I wonder how you think they'll fare.
Well, that win in a hostile atmosphere shows they now have a lot of character to go with their quality. It was a good performance. I think they...
Oh, wait a moment, look at what's happening. And a solid stop there.
Falcone, save keren dari Falcone, dari tendangan dari Pierini.
Now sending it in.
Aduh, gagal tadi duel udara.
Another corner kick conceded. Let's see what they do this time.
Aduh, terlalu pelan. Bentar, Pak, bentar. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Sorry tadi ada gangguan sedikit.
Kaba. Nice looking move this. Intelligent defending.
Masih gagal.
Crossing possibilities. Real chance.
Oke, save.
Nicely saved.
Bagus tadi dari Muric.
And over comes the corner. Well, decent effort, but
Kembali
not
lagi
something to
Muric
keep it too much.
jadi penyelamat tim kita. Oke, lolos. Berardi sendiri.
Can he finish?
Domenico Berardi.
Breakthrough. That was
Selebrasi
amazing.
kuping dulu nggak sih, bos? Selebrasi kuping dulu.
Well, let's see this
Can
again.
you hear me?
This is counter-attacking football
Itu kata
at its
dia.
very best. And his movement's so
Bam!
clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in
Domenico
his head.
Berardi.
Smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Good ball over the top.
Good job, Cande.
Toughing it out.
Yes, such a clever reader of the game, isn't he?
And there it breaks
mantap,
down,
Matic.
but credit to the defence.
Oke, Marimovic.
Ismail
Kone.
Kone. And now with Franks.
Astor Frank.
Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here. Good
Oke,
idea.
Pierini.
Needs composure. He's in. They're looking really relaxed
Bellingham
and
celebration.
confident.
No.
And not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Oke. Ini kita udah nyetak 2 gol, jangan sampai
Well, we can take
kita
another look
kebobolan
now.
2 gol lagi
It's
anjing.
wonderful interplay between the two of them to
Kita harus
start the
clean
move.
sheet kali
And
ini,
when he gets
oke?
onto it, he decides to go for power. It's
Kalau
a
enggak,
really
kipernya saya
emphatic
ganti
finish.
nanti
Give the keeper no
di
chance.
pertandingan selanjutnya. Pak.
The first half here comes to an end.
Oke. Anjir, Pierini.
So back underway, the second half begins. Ismail Kone. And on to Torsved. Good through ball. Oh, they were in a decent position too.
Aduh, banteng itu wah. Oh, cedera pemain mereka, Wak.
Well,
Untung
more
bukan
live
Berardi
action
yang
from
cedera.
the Serie A for you to
Kalau
look
Berardi
forward
sampai
to.
cedera, aduh,
It's
pusing
Lecce
pala
against
Berbi.
Udinese.
I like the look of that game. The atmosphere is always good inside that stadium.
Marimovic.
Two very
Oke,
good
good
teams.
job. Santai, tenang.
Jaids is on to Kone. Torsved. Counter-attacking possibilities.
Berardi.
Opportunity.
Aduh.
Keeping of the highest order.
Well, he's got to be pleased with that save. It's absolutely magnificent.
There's a corner played into the box. Clearance needed to be better. Matic. On to Kone. And
Waduh.
just like that, broken up. Well, it should be a
Matic.
top-notch match
Duh, udah
from
habis
Serie
staminanya.
A, the one we've got coming up
Oke,
on
menit
EA
70-an kita ganti ya
It's
dengan
Sassuolo facing Roma.
main
the
yang baru
fixtures
kita
are coming thick and
promosikan.
fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully, I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
Can he get one back? Determined defending.
Anjir, buang anjing.
A goal!
Sa-
And it's very much game on here.
Well, that's really good awareness of the situation. He just places that beyond the keeper. That's a top-class finish.
Matic udah nggak selincah sih. Oke. Alfonsi. Skelerup kah? Fadera. Oh iya, Fadera bolehlah kita pasang sebagai apa? Attacking midfielder ya. Oke.
Well,
Skelerup.
two qualities here.
Ganti kiper ya janjinya ya. Oke.
Torsved. Oh, that's a fine-looking pass.
Aduh, Berardi cok maksudnya.
Gallo. Ricardo Sotil. Now look at this, they might be able to cash in here. He's played us over
Duel.
to the near post.
Duel.
A powerful effort, but not threatening the goalkeeper, and he'll be disappointed. And the play
Pierotti.
will make the change now. Now a decent position. This could be
Kone.
it. And in all likelihood, that is game over. So little time left for a response.
Siu kah? No. Kone. Oke, Haaland celebration dari Kone. gelandang pengangkut air kita ya.
Here it is again, and it's a superb
Anjir,
weighted
Berardi
through
berapa
right back
assist tuh, Pak?
defensive line. And his
Anjing,
movement's so
gigi si
clever.
kapten
Once
kita
he
sih.
gets onto it, there's only one
Nah,
thought in
nanti
his
di
head.
akhir
Smash
ini
it as
ada
hard as
player of
possible.
the match
What a
dari
good
tim
goal.
kita sendiri ya, dan pemain itu berhak untuk mendapatkan playstyle khusus lah. Ya. Oke.
So the ball is moving again. We've been treated to 4 goals. 3-1 the score.
Anjir,
Kouassi.
belum ganti pemain, Pak.
Well, it comes down to the final 5 minutes. Gallo. Male. Well, a really good run. Can he put it away?
Oke, good save. Anjing, lupa ganti pemain, sumpah. Duh, si Yong main bentar lagi nggak apa-lah. Boka. Oke, Yoren ya habis. Oke.
Save to make. Who's going to get on the end of it? And not a bad header.
Just couldn't get above it. Good effort.
Oke, masih ada waktu.
And there it is,
Oke,
the
itu
final
dia,
whistle.
tidak
Not
jadi
what the home fans were hoping for
menyentuh
before
bola ya,
a goal was
Alfonsi
kicked
ya.
today. Defeat
Tapi
for
nggak
them.
apa-lah.
Well, their main problem
Ada
has been
tiga,
scoring
sekitar
goals,
tiga,
but they were
apa,
really poor
berapa menit tadi ya.
defensively today. They were caught too
Menggantikan
square, they made too many.
Nemanja Matic untuk bermain. Oke, secara statistik kita unggul sih. Dribble akurasi rate 99, shot akurasi 97, sorry. Shot akurasi kita 100%, yang mana 5 shot ini semuanya on target. Pas akurasi 87, perlu diperbaiki kan. Banyak yang kena intercept. Match fact, match rating. Pierini is number 1 goal 1 assist. Berardi 1 goal 1 assist. Kone 1 goal. Torsved 1 assist. Morimovic kali ini perform akhirnya. Matic, Frank Itses, Kande Alfonsi. Walaupun tadi bermain hanya 1 passing ya, tapi pengalaman lah. Oke. Turati, Alfonsi, oke. Oke, kita save dulu ya, biar nggak kejadian tadi. Oke. Untuk pertandingan melawan AS Roma, saya akan melakukannya besok ya. Jadi sekarang kita melihat kalender dulu. Karena kita di sisa bulan ini menghadapi Roma dan juga Cagliari di bulan Oktober ini. Selanjutnya di bulan September kita akan menghadap Oktober November kita akan menghadapi Genoa, Atalanta, Pisa, dan Como ya. So jadwal yang ya bisa dibilang nggak padat lah, karena kita sudah kalah di Copa, but it's okay. Oke, sekian dari saya. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.